I played this very mean, bad little sister. लकीर में आई थिंक इट्स अ मिक्सचर ऑफ एवरीथिंग, लेकिन इसमें कुछ भी कोई भी ग्रे शेड्स बिल्कुल नहीं है. एंड आई थिंक जी आई कॉन्शियसली ट्राइड एंड मेड ईच फिल्म ऑफ माइंड a little different from each other. I think that's more challenging for me too.
How was it sharing the screen with Sunny, Sunil, John, and Sohail?
Initially, I was very scared because I was not sure whether, I didn't know whether to say hi, hello, yes, sir, what, I was just so scared. But then I met everyone and they just seemed like such normal people that it was a big relief. And everyone's a great pleasure to work with. They make you feel very comfortable, and they don't even treat you like a newcomer at all. It's like one of the gang. So it was awesome. It was a great pleasure to work with all of them.
Okay, you have to answer this question. Who's your favorite among all four of them?
Who's my favorite? There's no favorite, because I like each one in a very separate, different way. I have a lot of respect for Sunil Shetty and Sunny Deol, but at the same time, Sohail and John have interacted a lot more, so they're more on the friendly basis. But with Sunny Deol, I could interact a little because I had 1-2 scenes. But I would, it's a totally different league altogether. You know what I mean? There's a lot of respect for them. There is a lot of respect for Sohail and John too. But I can talk a lot more freely and a little more. There's a lot more friendship involved in them. Yeah. So there's no favorite as such.
Thanks so much.
Okay.
One more question.
You've done
Even I have one more question.
आपने अभी तक 2 फिल्में की हैं और
जी.
ये आपकी 3rd फिल्म है. पहली 2 ऐसे नहीं चली हैं जैसे आप एक्सपेक्ट करोगे, तो क्या कहेंगे 3rd टाइम लकी में आप विश्वास रखती हैं?
Let's just say I hope and pray for the best, जो कि मैं हर फिल्म में I wish and pray that it does well. But then this is something that you can't really you do your best and then you just totally leave it on the audiences. You can wish that it does well, but it's not really in your hands. So obviously I'm praying and only hoping for the best, and let's just see where this takes me, or the whole film as a whole.
Okay, Ahmed is a choreographer. काफ़ी फिल्मों में इन लोगों से नचा है. Direct कैसे कर रहे हैं वो?
बहुत ही फोकस्ड डायरेक्टर है. He takes each and every shot of ours like into great details. And he's paid a lot of attention on the appearance. That's really nice. There's not like one hair out of place at all in the entire film, which is great. And rest assured, the songs are picturized excellent. So there's nothing more you could ask for. He's really great. He's a very great guy. I mean, great person as well. So he makes you feel like lot more comfortable than I thought so. And he's very calm. You can go to him and talk about anything and everything, about the film, or I seek a lot of advice from him as well. So overall, he's a great director, very focused and knows exactly what he wants and brings it out, of an actress as well or an actor as well. So that's really nice.
Thanks.